turn into the worst of that. Held on to every broken spot. I wish I never told you why I feel so close to us. Your hands still stained with colored dust. I'm shot from all your broken eyes. Still wish I never told you why I feel not love. But is there something? Is there something? But is there something that keep you close to me? But is there something? Is there something? But is there something that sees my state? But regret I couldn't hold goodbyes. If I said you would try tonight.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe. I don't know why I start the vlog now and I literally have like the machine going off. I'm washing like my last load. I started washing yesterday. I just took the blacks out, kind of like hang them up, and now I have just the whites left. So I'm here just cleaning up a little bit, but I just want to come in and say hello to you guys. I still need to wash up like the few bits that I made breakfast with earlier. I got like a delivery yesterday. I bought like a new mirror. I'm still yet to get rid of the other one, but someone is meant to come for it. But this one was the last one left and I wanted to get it before it sold out. I haven't seen it in person yet because I want to open it with you guys. So I'm going to open this in a bit so you guys can see, and I'm going to find a spot to put it and remove the next one. Kind of put it in like a temporary spot until the person can come collect it. Shall we like open the mirror? Because I'm excited. I really want to see it. I've been holding on to it not too long, but from like last night. Because knowing me, I'll probably like open it as soon as I got it. It was at the door. So I think I'm just going to open it now and show you guys.
This is said about trying life for me. Is it better that you hurt tonight? Cause the weather it determines can my world. Was there ever any wasted time to be? But is there something? Is there something?
So this is the mirror. I haven't taken off the bubble wrap yet because the mirror is not as tall as I'd like it to be. I thought it would be a bit taller than the one that I have there. So what I think I'm gonna do, I don't know. Let me take this off so I can see like the full reflection.
Keep you close to me. But is there something? Is there something?
I like it. I really do like it in this space. You give it a bit more, it's a bit more airy. It's because I'm so used to that bulky one, but I do like it in the space. It doesn't feel as bulky. It feels light. Let me know what you guys think. Is it a keep? Is it a return? Let me know what you think. Guys, I've been sitting here for the past say 10-15 minutes thinking about the mirror. I really do love how light over this side looks, but I just wish it was, because that one I used to hide my rail behind it. I don't think I'll be able to hide my rail behind this one, like my washing rail, but we'll try and figure it out. I think because I'm so used to that one, I'm so used to that one, but I wanted something thin but give me that big effect. I mean, I'm going to be adding more mirror as well, so yeah, the machine is still going off. I was kind of waiting for it to like washing to stop so I can continue on with the vlog because the noise annoy me. So I was waiting for that to stop, but the load soon finished. That's my Amazon parcel. Should we go get it? I'm gonna order something from Amazon. I'm gonna order from Amazon again. Definitely Amazon. Oh shit, I remember what I ordered. Guys, I'm so excited for this. I will show you in a bit. Yeah, look at this one. Yeah, I'm literally so excited for this. But I also ordered some legs for my TV stand. I'm thinking to put them on some legs to make it a little bit higher, but I don't know if I'm making a mistake. But I ordered the legs. I don't know if I'm making a mistake by putting these legs on. I just ordered like these to put on the bottom of the TV stand to kind of like raise it up like a little bit on the four corners, this one, so the TV stand can be up. But I don't know if I'm making a mistake. I just want the TV up a little bit more. No, the TV is like that. I want it to be like, you know, no, it's like that, like that. I want it to be that. So I think this will give me that. So that's why I got these. But I'm gonna think about it for another maybe week or so, and then maybe like a day. I'll probably do it tomorrow, yeah. But I need to think about it a little bit more and kind of like vision it. But I think it would be nice. It would be nice, I think. But let me think about it some more. So guys, I ordered like a grocery trolley. But I ordered like a foldable one, so I can like fold it and then tuck it away without it being in the way. But it doesn't come, because it's foldable, it doesn't come with that regular stand that it comes with. You kind of have to pull the handle, and you can put this over your shoulder as well. But I don't think it's big enough. Like what's advertised on the thing, it's not big enough to put my grocery, I think. So I think I'm gonna send it back. So I have this artwork from when I moved into my like previous home, and when I took it out, I was like, this would be perfect probably for this space. I got it from this single. So basically I want to put this over my bed because, you know, I have like a blue couch, and I had this over my bed at the last place before, and this kind of tie in like the gray and the blue in the couch, which I think works so perfect, plus the gold in my mirror as well over where the bed is, and the nude I have over there. It literally tie in every color. So I have this frame here of the previous artwork that was over my bed, this one. Ouch, fuck. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change it over and then put this up on the wall instead. So let's do that. I think I'm gonna keep it there for now. I don't love it enough to like place it there. This is it over the bed. I absolutely love this bed frame, by the way, even though it's like gray and it wasn't like my vibe that I was going for. I absolutely love it. Like, yeah. Guys, I've continued my deep clean. I think because I put the washing on cotton, it's taking a bit longer than normal. But I'm washing like my sheets and stuff, towels that I used last week. Doing like a little deep clean. So I just sprayed like the oven, because I didn't really clean the oven when I moved in here. They clean it, but I just realized that it could be a little bit cleaner, like each sides. So I just sprayed the oven cleaner that I used to clean the loft floor. I realized that did clean it really good, so I just used that to like clean up a little bit, to just spray inside the oven and stuff. And now what I'm going to do is just spray some in the bathroom as well. I'm going to just clean the bathroom, like the shower. So I have like a bathroom cleaner here. It's this one. I'm going to play back my music, so this is going to be like a B-roll type of thing. And let's go finish clean.
Turn into the worst of I held on to every broken spot. I wish I never told you why I feel so close to us. Your hands still stained with colored dust. I'm shot from all your broken glass. Still wish I never told you why I feel not enough. But is there some love? Is there some love? But is there some love that keep you close to me? But is there some love?
Hey guys, can't believe the machine is still a wash. Like, it's been a couple hours now. I think because I put it on that setting, cotton. I know cotton normally take maybe like 3 hours, I think. So I've pretty much cleaned the house. I just need to clean up like my desk area and stuff. But tomorrow is another day. I'm just having like a smoothie, the one that I always make. So it's like strawberry, banana, protein powder, and some milk for the liquid. I decided to keep the mirror, so I've cleaned it. I really love it. It's grown on me for the past couple of hours that it's here. It's grown on me, so I'm gonna definitely keep the mirror. Someone is gonna come for this plant today. This one. Someone is gonna come and pick her up. The lady that's gonna collect the plant. She's on her way. I wanna wait. Let me go wait and come back. So like I was saying, she's on her way, and she did ask if she can do like a bank transfer type of thing, but I did say yeah, but then I said no, because I prefer to just get the cash and just go. It's kind of quicker than stand there trying to do bank transfer. I'm just thinking, you know, my brain works like that sometimes. So I just say cash because it's a quicker transaction. So we're gonna put on some trousers outside. I'm gonna put on a jacket as well, just in case outside kind of cold, and then I'm gonna just bring the plant down. Bye. I literally have this plant for like years, and I split it in two, and I sold the other one before I moved out, and now I'm gonna be selling this one now. Oh, like they grow so much, like so much, but it's time to have someone else in the space. Oh my gosh, it looks so weird now. It feels so empty. Oh my gosh, it feels so empty without the plant. Now I feel like I need to get another one ASAP. I think another IKEA trip is pending because I need to get that other plant. Anyways, this is her. She grew out of control. You see, she literally gone all over the place. She gone this so up, this so, like she was just too big. So I'm gonna get that one. If you've seen my IKEA vlog, you're probably gonna upload before this one. You will see the plant that I'm gonna get, but I needed to get rid of this one first before I get that one. And I'm gonna try and see if I can find like a plant. Oh, actually that's something I can do tomorrow. I'll see if there's like a plant shop type of thing nearby. The plant is gone. It was a quick transaction. We ended up doing the bank transfer. What we use, Monzo. Monzo is really quick. They have like this thing that you can just scan, where you don't need to really give people like your details and stuff. You just scan it and then you just transfer the money. So that was really quick. Plant is gone. Progress, guys. We still have someone to come for the mirror and the coffee table, and then that way we can kind of have like a clean canvas to like start decorating and buying stuff. I mean, I did buy the mirror without getting rid of that one that I bought. I never really wanted it to go away. Like I said, it was the last one. I need to eat. I need to warm up some food and eat. So I'm going to do that and upload this video when it's saved.